Lesson 19. Phrasal Verbs for Information. Samantha has been poring over some financial reports. The phrasal verb pore over means to read and study a document very carefully. She's trying to figure out why the numbers on the report don't match up with the money in the bank account. You already learned the phrasal verb figure out. It means to solve a problem or discover information by thinking and using logic. Match up means to be the same. So Samantha is saying that the numbers on the financial report do not match up with the bank account. They are different. Kate tells her to cross out $5,000 and put $3,500 for the cost of books. To cross something out means to draw a line through it, like this. They originally budgeted $5,000 for books to allow for up to 250 students. The phrasal verb allow for something means to plan for the possibility of it. Kate says she can find out if the number of online donations listed in the report is correct. To find out means to discover information. What's the difference between find out and figure out? You find out something by checking another source, or someone else telling you the information. You figure out something by logic, with your own thinking. Kate says she'll look up the correct number of online donations later. To look something up means to search or check a book, a list, a database, etc. For example, you look up words in the dictionary to find out their definitions. During the conversation, it dawned on Samantha that some of the numbers are estimates and not exact figures. The expression, "it dawned on someone," means the person suddenly understood a fact, often after not recognizing this fact for some time. Also, the estimates of advertising costs might be incorrect, because someone was trying to gloss over the fact that they spent too much money. To gloss over something bad means to try to minimize, hide, or ignore an unpleasant fact when reporting on the situation. Kate says that the data on staff travel expenses doesn't add up. You learned the phrasal verb add up in the lesson about money. It means to add numbers into a total. But the expression "it doesn't add up" has another meaning. It means it doesn't make sense, or something is not correct or true. And you can use this expression with situations in general, not only with money. Samantha comments that the problems with the report boil down to the staff's failure to keep good records. The phrasal verb boil down to means to identify the root of a problem or the simplest essential reason for it. Kate doesn't want to waste time puzzling over the inaccurate report. To puzzle over something means to give a lot of thought or consideration to something you don't understand. She suggests tracking down Pam, the person who originally prepared the report. To track someone or something down means to find the person or thing after searching for him, her, or it. Samantha has been trying to call Pam, but Pam hasn't picked up. Here's yet another meaning for the phrasal verb pick up, to answer the telephone. The opposite of pick up is hang up. That means end the connection after finishing a phone call. Kate suggests feeling Pam out about the possibility of hiring an accountant for the organization. To feel someone out means to carefully discover what someone thinks about an idea, usually through a more indirect conversation and not asking them directly. You've just learned 16 phrasal verbs for talking about information. Take the practice quiz and try the writing exercises, and log in tomorrow for Lesson 20.